EMS means Environmental Management System. This is a method that helps an organization, such as hotels and tourism, to reduce the environmental impact that is create and increase the operating ability of the organization. Through consistent analysis, assessment, and the improvement of the environment work, EMS helped the organization is an organized and profitable way. This type of approach can help reduce the risk of purchase and improve health and safety procedures for employees and outside people. EMS can also help improve uncontrolled issues such as energy conservation and employee care. In the hotel and tourism industry, EMS is important to be involved because it is the main impact to the environment. Hotel uses a large amount of energy, water, and degradable goods, and large amounts of waste have been reported.
We would like to know whether a natural resort has applied EMS. EMS is environmental management system, such as sewage and water waste management, which will not affect the environment. If we are talking about resources management, we do have green growth is a green economic development. Before we used a program called Green Globe, but now we've changed to green growth from United Nations, which will cover water, electricity, solid waste, noise, safety, sanitation, social, and tradition. How do you manage water resources like saving water? From my point of view, as Human Resource Department, we divide it into two parts. First is a system, such as the tools, such as the tap. The tap we are using produces powerful water pressure, which seems like much water are coming out, but in fact it uses only a little amount of water. And that's where pressure, system, and maintenance come into play. Another part is people. We promote efficiency of water usage. Don't leave the tap running, raising awareness of individual towards the consumption of water resource. Do you train the staff training of water usage? Yes, we do. This is a part of our training, and it is a requirement of Green Growth Program. We train our staff into understanding and promoting. We don't just train and finish. We have energy board and resources, information, and news sharing. An example is reduction of paper usage. We are trying to use other means of media which are paperless. Instead of using the board like before, we use emails to send information or Facebook or Line. This is the example of green growth. Save energy and save water.
What do a mile-high pile of paper, good team spirit in the workplace, and electricity and money savings have in common? And how does this panda relate to this? WWF Green Office is an environmental management system for offices. With its help, you and your colleagues will together succeed in reducing your office's ecological footprint. With the help of Green Office, making every day environmentally friendly is easy and fun. WWF will provide you with the tools that will help you turn your office green in no time. Green offices pay special attention to, for example, energy consumption, recycling, saving paper, and sustainable travel. When we reduce consumption and make smart choices, the Earth will also do better. At the same time, you save money. Personnel are encouraged to make everyday changes. Even small things can have a great impact when the whole office gets involved. In no time at all, you can achieve measurable results. As the ecological footprint of your office gets smaller, there will be a corresponding growth in environmental awareness in the workplace and a reduction in operational costs. WWF provides you with all the information, help and tips to put this work into practice. We will also visit your office to check that everything is fine. Green Office is a great way to do good together. By reducing its own electricity usage, even just one office can save tons of carbon dioxide emissions. The same level of emissions would be created if you drove your car around the world 4 times. Green Office. It's good for you and for your Earth.
This is the maintenance manager คุณสมหมาย He is giving us a tour around the hotel maintenance facilities. This is the system of water treatment. The water is waiting in the pond, which is ready to go to another pond for filtration. After the filtration, the water is reused to water the plant. 90% of water is reused and not released into the environment.
Now he is explaining about saving energy by taking the uses of air conditioners. The heat transfer from the compressor is reused to boil the water for the guests to shower. This is the machine that the hotel used to transfer the power.
This is a maintenance employee from Anantala. He is explaining how to save energy by changing from normal light bulb to LED light. The cost of change is high, but the LED light has longer usage and it costs less energy. The water system that is reused in the other sections of the hotel is filtered under the hotel. It can be under or on above. The less area for the water is under the parking lot. This is an example of the last part.